Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wix Payments to your bank in America. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Wix Payments to your bank in America, begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard on the left side of the screen. Click on the Finance tab to access financial options. Select Payments from the drop-down menu that appears. Under the Wix Payments section, locate the Payouts option. Click on Payouts to view your available balance. Check the amount currently available for withdrawal. Next, click the Withdraw button to initiate the process. You may be prompted to select your bank account if you have multiple accounts linked. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add New Bank Account to enter your banking details. Ensure that your bank information is accurate to avoid any issues. Once your bank account is linked, select it for the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Review all details for accuracy before proceeding. Click on the Confirm button to finalize the withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Remember that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer's completion. For any issues, consider checking the Wix Help Center or contacting their support team. This completes the process of withdrawing funds from Wix Payments to your bank in America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.